Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel InfoRiders. In the last section, we have learned different types of the tags. So in this section, we will be learning few more tags. Let us move. First of all, we will learn what is BR tag in HTML. BR tag is nothing but break tag. Suppose if you write in the paragraph tag, welcome to YouTube channel, InfoRiders. Save this and just copy this link and go to the browser, just paste it. You see that welcome to YouTube channel InfoRiders. If you want this InfoRiders to appear in the next line, you have to use BR tag. Use the BR tag and save this and just go to the browser and refresh it. You see the InfoRiders appears on the new line. This is the use of the BR tag. Now let us move on to another tag, that is a horizontal rule. Horizontal rule is used to give the rule after this paragraph tag. For example, if you write HR tag after this, it doesn't have the closing tag. Now save this and just go to the browser and just refresh it. You see the horizontal line appears below this text. This is a use of the HR tag. Now let us move on to another tag, that is pre-tag. Pre-tag is nothing but pre-formatted text. Suppose you want one space line in the paragraph tag. If you save this and just go to the browser and just refresh it, you will not see the spaces. To handle this, you have to use pre-tag. Just save it and go to the browser and refresh it. You can see the spaces appears. This pre-tag is used and it will display the content as written in the editor. Just say for example, if you want to write the poem with spaces, this pre-tag is very useful. See, these spaces will not appear in the p-tag, that is paragraph tag. To appear this, we have to use pre-tag, that is pre-formatted text. Save it and just go to the browser and just refresh it. You can see the spaces. This is the use of the pre-tag. So in this section we have learned what is break tag, what is horizontal rule, and what is the pre-tag. In the next section we will learn how to style the browser and how to add the background color and how to align the text to a center. Thank you guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share. If you have any queries, let me know in the comment section.